How's it going, everyone? In this video, I want to walk you through 2 day trades I took today, and I want to talk about how I made money selling options yesterday. So, before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you do not miss out on any upcoming videos. Let's get right into this Amazon trade first. So this is basically off the open. Put entry off this candle here. What I seen was break below pre-market lows, right? Nice selling volume. I want to see this candle open before entry. Got in roughly, I think it was 2 to 3 minutes after this candle opened. Got in around this 140 level. My stop loss was a break above this because I knew if we broke above this, once we picked up them orders left behind in this area here, chances are it was going to move to the upside. So we got in here, got this beautiful move down. The put options moved over $50 per contract. Very nice trade. We managed our trade very well. Very happy with our execution on this. Now, let's talk about another trade I took on SPX. We didn't quite get the move we got here, but beautiful trade. We had a sniper entry. Now let's talk about it. So on this SPX trade, what I seen was we had a nice push down here on this candle, as you can see, a big fast push down. I wanted to see us come back up, retest that area, pick up whatever sell orders were left behind, catch the move down. So we got in nearly at the top of this candle here for puts on SPX. I went a little bit out of the money, and they moved really well. I typically trade right at the money, but I'm new to SPX, so I'm trying out a few different things. I usually trade SPY options or trade ES futures, which I still do. I trade ES futures a lot. But anyways, came back up retest. I got in with puts here and took the move down. Contracts I was in moved close to $200 per contract. When I trimmed or sold, it was over $100 per contract. Very nice movement. The only thing, SPX contracts, the premiums fluctuate so much, it can add a little extra emotions, a little extra stress, right? So try to watch the chart as much as possible when trading them and just, follow your plan based off your chart levels. If you're watching the premiums on your SPX options, you're going to get stressed. I'm just here to tell you, they fluctuate like crazy. Now, let's move on to what we sold puts on, how we made money. Okay, so yesterday before close, I told everyone I'm selling the 6 put options on Lucid that expire this coming Friday. Same week expiration, selling the 6 put options. So we collected $28 in premium per contract that we sold. I sold $135 of them. I wanted to catch that nice IV crush that we experienced this morning after earnings. Yes, it's higher risk when you trade during earnings if you sell options during earnings, and I would never do this on a big stock. I knew the range we had on Lucid, and I was happy buying Lucid at $6 per share. Keep that in mind. That's key. You want to be okay purchasing whatever you're selling options on. But we sold, collected 0.38 premium. I closed them out this morning for 0.11 over right at a 60% gain on these. Very happy with that. I made right at $2,100 on this trade. Just icing to the cake after a beautiful start to the week that we've had inside Team Bull. I'm on a nice winning streak. I say that. I'm not trying to jinx myself, but I know a losing trade will happen. That's part of the game. But it feels nice to get on a 2 week winning streak. And that's all I have. If you have any questions about this, always feel free to reach out to me. I'm always here to help. And I just appreciate each and every one of you that watch this. Always, if you'd like to, you can share these with your friends. Helps me out. And be sure, if you haven't already, to hit that like button. Appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.